How to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you two different methods with the help of which you will be able to easily fix this issue. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your settings in your device. So if you are using an Android device, then you just have to launch your settings, and in the settings you just have to tap on apps. In the apps you need to tap on manage apps, and then in the search bar you just have to search for Roblox. Now once you have found Roblox, you simply need to tap on it, and then you will be landed on the app info of Roblox. Over here, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply tap on the clear data option in the bottom, and then select clear cache and then press OK. Afterwards, you need to launch your Roblox mobile application and check whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then the second method that you need to follow is you need to tap on the clear data option again, and this time you need to select the first option that says clear all data. Then you need to press OK, and what this will do is it will log yourself out from your Roblox application. So you just have to relaunch it and re-log in into your Roblox account, and this way you will be able to easily fix the error code 268 of Roblox in your mobile. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.